Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix Windows update error 0x8024d009. So to resolve this problem, click on Start, then Settings. Now here click on Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters, and Run on Windows Update. Follow the instruction which you see in this display. And once it's done, close and restart. Second method, you can try search CMD, right click on command prompt, run as administrator. Now type this command line sfc / scan now, then press enter. Now guys, it will take a couple of minutes, so complete this scanning, and once this scanning complete, restart your system. So this is the way guys you can fix and resolve Windows update error 0x8024d009. Thanks for watching and comment this method work for you or not.